My name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video on this 2024 Ram 3500. We put a 2.5-inch level on it, some 22 by 8.25 wheels with a positive 104 millimeter offset, and some 35 1250 R22 tires. This is what we needed to do to make this tire and wheel setup fit. Absolutely nothing. There was no trimming, no cutting, no rubbing, no nothing. The ranch hand bumper helps, but if you have your factory bumper, you may need some slight plastic trimming on the valence or the inner fender. That's the only thing that I would expect. Nothing on the rear of the fender. So if you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment, give us a call, 833-268-2577. If you want to know exactly what this tire and wheel setup is and which level we used, go watch our walkthrough video. And if you want tips and tricks on how we installed this level, go watch our tips and tricks video. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, the premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If there is anything that we can do to serve you, please do not hesitate to call. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.